It is January 1st, 2026. Nigeria wakes up to a new tax reality. 4 new laws replace decades of scattered rules and set a single modern tax framework. These laws simplify how taxes are collected, expand the tax base, and bring our system in line with international standards. The 4 acts do distinct jobs. The Nigeria Tax Act unifies core taxes like income tax, capital gains tax, and VAT. The Tax Administration Act sets the rules for filing, audits, and digital reporting. The Revenue Service Act replaces the old tax agency with the new Nigeria Revenue Service, a single digital-first body. The Joint Revenue Board Act coordinates taxes across federal, state, and local governments and creates a tax ombudsman to hear disputes. For businesses, the rules are clearer. Small companies with annual turnover up to 100 million naira are now exempt from corporate income tax, capital gains tax, and the unified 4% development levy. That change is intended to encourage formal registration and growth. For larger firms, accountability is now stronger. Corporate capital gains tax increases to 30%, closing a long-standing gap. Multinational groups must meet at least a 15% effective tax rate, so profits generated here are taxed here.
For individuals, the changes are more simpler. Those earning 800,000 naira or less a year, after the allowable deductions like pension contributions and the new rent relief, pay no personal income tax.
The outdated consolidated relief allowance is replaced by a rent relief of 20% of annual rent, capped at 500,000 naira. Compensation for job loss is tax-free up to 50 million naira. Gains from digital assets like cryptocurrencies and NFTs are now taxable. Residents are required to report their worldwide income. VAT remains at 7.5%, but compliance goes digital. Businesses must adopt e-invoicing and modern reporting tools. Non-resident digital service providers must register and remit VAT. Now is the time to prepare. Keep clear records. Confirm your tax status. Review investments and digital holdings. And adopt e-invoicing where required. Consult a licensed tax advisor to model your 2026 obligations and protect your position. Plan early, comply deliberately, and move confidently into Nigeria's new tax era.